Welcome back. Sorry it's taking me this long. This is going to be an update on the Cabriolet and the Focus. I've been away for a while because life got in the way, run out of money. Hopefully things will change in the next few months. I've got a bit of money saved back up now. I'll be buying some more parts for the Focus, and hopefully doing more investigation into the Cabriolet and why it won't start. So in this video I've done a compression test on the Cabriolet, so let's get into the video and see what's happening. Just have a look around, see if you... Ready?
Mm-hmm.
See what we can find today. That's been charging. Do you want to try and wrap this? Although, yeah, before we do, does that need? Yeah, wrap that up for me. Put the thing back on. Careful. That might not be out.
How's this gonna work? We're taking all of them out.
It ain't, it's just so we can do it quickly.
Yeah.
Then there's no compression whatsoever at all, so it will not run.
Oh, well,
Okay, so doing some stupid video. That's as tight as I can get that. It goes straight over it, so but I'm sure I'm doing a better seal with that, because that's going in.
Yeah.
Trouble is I can't get it too tight because I can't see it. So I can't get to the bottom to turn it. So that's that. Let's go again then. Did that needle move at all?
None at all.
Nothing at all. Let's just try it again then. Right, you ready?
Oh. No, I saw a lot of smoke
Yeah,
coming out.
yeah, it's going to come out of there now as petrol. Can't you smell it?
Yeah, so, no, there's nothing in that one.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? Just to make sure that that's not
Working. Well, that's what I was just. That's the bit where I got to when you turned up. Control is up left foot, whether you go or stop.
Yeah, yeah. But that's good then.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I didn't know you had one.
Oh, a couple?
Yeah.
I bought the wrong one, did I forget? Testing kit we got. I bought for that.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was this one. It wasn't.
How was it not?
No.
Mm.
Oops.
No, I haven't done much with the handbrake.
Right. Ready?
I think I've answered the question, and it's
Yeah. Engine strip down.
Alan hasn't. He's only started getting into the handbrake. Like literally just.
Both gauges. 0. Oh, God.
He said he's gonna get me into it more now.
Yeah, no, you need to. Once you go in, it's alright.
Yeah.
this one ain't going to work.
That ain't. With that.
No, won't fit. Sorry?
Right. Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
There's a little bit.
I'll stop back down here.
Yeah, that's. No, it's.
Do a little bit.
There's no compression, is there?
No. Oh, yeah.
This is where we need the straw, and I can't find the bloody straw.
Okay, then.
Right there.
Hello, baby.
They've gone back inside like a
Yes, baby.
normal dog.
What's it?
I'm just going to let that soak in then.
Yeah.
It should be alright.
Well,
Once it should be in.
You don't know.
yeah. Yeah, should check this first, shouldn't we? Compression.
It's a basic.
Yeah.
It's a basic. I mean, I kept telling you, go back to
Well,
basics.
That's what we were saying. That's what we were saying, wasn't it? That's what we were saying. It's something simple, and it is. Well,
We don't know yet, but
It just never clicked to me that they were stuck. They're all brand new.
brand new, like 20 years ago, right now. Then.
no, well, say 20
Exactly.
years. Yeah.
Yeah.
And there was no, when we put it together, it was only bits of oil, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Weren't.
squirt of oil and assemble it all, so you got oil on it, ready for when you start it.
It weren't.
No,
No,
that's in engineering.
let's let that soak. I might spray it every now and then try again in a week or so.
It might not hurt to give it a spin out
Well,
because it'll.
It might loosen it up, isn't it?
Yeah, because that's all around the piston now. It might just give you a couple of PSI.
Well, that's it. Let's.
Right, we'll have a special button to clean.
Ready? Ready? Right, we've had a day doing the Cabriolet. Well, an hour. All spark plugs went out. Compression test, and we've got 0 compression. So that's why it won't start. Put WD-40 down the bores. Hopefully it'll free it off, but we'll have to keep going back to it. So that's it. Right, onto the Focus. Yeah, done nothing here. Still got to do that welding. We'll come back to that. Let's get in the garage and let's see what they've done. Right, as you can see, look, we've had everything shot blasted and primed. Got the arms, subframe and the back plates. Now, the only problem is
I think it's on there. Is it cool? I think it's on that one down there. Oh, I can see it there.
we've got a bit of welding to do. Both sides, but I've got a washer. It's going to we're going to weld up. We'll clean all that up, weld around it. And that should make it stronger rather than weaker. So that's going to be next. Hopefully we can start getting the new bits ordered. I've actually got some money. So yeah, hopefully this is like a quick update. But hopefully the next few months we'll have a bit more to show you. So, thank you. Right. Thanks for watching. I've got to order some bits for the Focus and I'm carrying on with the WD-40 down the bores, the Cabriolet. I'm going to leave that about a week, let that soak in. Hopefully the next video will be it started. But we've got bits to do on the Focus now. I've got some money. Hopefully next year, well this year, we should be doing more work on the car, on the cars. I've changed what I've been doing. I'm not drafting anymore. I've started doing something else, like reselling. So go check out our reselling channel. That's R&J Reselling. I'm trying to do both of these in line with each other. So that's great. So yeah, if you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, and that'll tell you when my next video goes live. Hopefully it won't be so long. I'm going to try and do 1 or 2 a month to start with until the light nights come. I can't do too much anyway, so that's great. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.